Prabhashri, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. So in the last sum we have defined Lorentz series. Expand f of z equal to z square minus 1 divided by z plus 2 into z plus 3. So we defined a partial function like phi z plus 7 divided by z plus 2 into z plus 3, which is equal to a by z plus 2 plus b by z plus 3, and we find that value of a, which is equal to minus 10 plus 7 in the last sum. Now we are going to continue with the sum. Minus 10 plus 7, which is equal to a, so we will get the value of a equal to minus 3. Now we are going to find the value of b by substituting z equal to minus 3. So if we are substituting z equal to minus 3, if z equal to minus 3, then we will get 5 into z, so minus 3 plus 7, which is equal to minus 3 plus 3 into a plus b into minus 3 plus 2. So minus 3 plus 3 we will get 0. So 0 into a, the a term will be 0, and then we are getting b. So minus 3 plus 2 we will get minus 1. So minus 1 into b, obviously minus b. So here we are getting minus 15 and then plus 7. So minus 15 plus 7 we will get 8 as an answer, which is equal to minus b. So minus minus will get cancelled, therefore b equal to 8. So now we are finding the value of a equal to minus 3 and b equal to 8. Now we are going to substitute in the star. So we will get 5z plus 7 whole divided by z plus 2 into z plus 3. So which is equal to, the value of a is minus 3. So minus 3 divided by z plus 2 plus 5 divided by z plus 3 as an answer. So now we are going to substitute this in the form of 1 minus and then 5z. So we will get 1 minus 3 divided by z plus 2 plus 5 divided by z plus 3. We are letting this minus into the bracket. So we will get 1 plus 3 divided by z plus 2 minus 5 divided by z plus 3 as an answer. So we are just derivate the partial derivative of the function. Now our plan is going to find out the Lorentz series of the function modulus of z less than 2. So according to the first point, modulus of z is less than 2. We know that the function is always less than 1. So by keeping this, we are dividing the function with respect to 2. So we will get modulus of z divided by 2, which is less than 1. So we have to keep z divided by the constant value in all the functions. So we are taking them as an out. So 1 plus f of z equal to 1 plus, we are taking 2 as a common thing here. So we will get z divided by 2 plus 1 into 2, and we are taking 3 as a common here. So minus 5 divided by 3 into z divided by 3 plus 1. So now we are going to make this term in the so f of z equal to 1 plus 3 by 2 z by 2 plus 1 minus 5 divided by 3 into z by 3 plus 1. Now we are going to take this z by 2 plus 1 term in the numerator. So we will get f of z equal to 1 plus 3 by 2 into z by 2 plus 1 power minus 1. So this term is in the denominator. We are going to take this as numerator. So we will get 1 by 2 as an inverse. So z by 2 plus 1 power minus 1, and then minus 5 divided by 3 into z by 3 plus 1 power minus 1. We know the formula for the binomial expansion, which is nothing but 1 plus x to the power minus 1, 1 minus x plus x square divided by 2, and then minus x cube divided by 3 up to etc. So by applying this formula, now I am going expansion as 1 plus z by 2.